gentlemen, how is everybody doing today? I hope this video finds you well, healthy, and in good spirits, guys. I hope you've been able to do your work so far, maybe do any catch-up that you might have needed to do. And I hope you've haven't had a hard time completing any of the work we've done so far this week. The plan for today is to discuss and take a look at the Compromise of 1850. This is going to be the first step into the Civil War, the first step that leads to the Civil War, on the road to the Civil War. So I want to take a look at the Compromise of 1850 that's really going to kind of open up the floodgates and everything else. What we're going to do, it's a pretty simple lesson today, guys. All you got to do is listen to me talk about, sorry about that. All you got to do is listen to me talk about the Compromise of 1850 in a teacher lesson video. There's a lot of important stuff there. I want to try to make those connections for you, and I want to try to explain what some of those things are and why they're important and how things have changed between the Missouri Compromise and the Compromise of 1850. So that's why we're doing a teacher lesson video in these 3 slides. So make sure you watch that teacher lesson video. The objective for today is just to discuss the Compromise of 1850 and how it led to the Civil War. So that's what we're going to look at. That's what we're going to kind of focus on a little bit. My office hours today are from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. and from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. So if you have any questions, please reach out to me and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. If we go to the second slide quickly here, we'll see the teacher lesson video right here. Just make sure you watch that, please. The next 3 slides are going to be the slides I'm going to go over in the teacher lesson video. So you can watch the video, and as you're watching, look through those slides and just kind of check the information and follow along with the information if that helps, or whatever might help you to learn the material and kind of put it up here and comprehend it, whatever helps you to learn it best, just so you know. The next lesson, or the next slide, I should say, not the next lesson. The next slide is the check for learning. So once you've completed going over these slides and watching the video, make sure you click on this check for learning here so that you can take and answer the Google form, and you can complete that, and I can give you at least a 2 on that. So last slide. Again, make sure you watch the teacher lesson video. Your homework for today is going to be your Unit 14 key terms 1 through 5. That is going to be due on Friday, just so you are aware. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you where it is real quick. That is not the correct lesson. Let me go ahead and go to the correct one, which is this one right here. You will find the Unit 14 key terms list and the textbook module that you will need to define those terms right here, along with the Google slides that you are looking at and that you were able to find and open up. So make sure you complete those, guys. If you want to do the whole set of key terms, I believe there are 15 of them, roughly. So you can complete those if you want to get those all completely done. If you just want to do the first 5, that's 100% fine. It's completely up to you what you want to do or how many key terms you want to do. Just make sure you type them in a Google Doc and make sure you share them with me, okay? So please make sure that you do that. Please make sure you complete that and then submit it to me on Friday. That will go towards Friday's lesson. So make sure you get that done so I can give you full credit, or at least a 2 on Friday, just so you are aware. There are no additional resources. If you have any questions today, ladies and gentlemen, again, please reach out to me during my office hours so that I can answer whatever questions you have. Office hours are from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. and 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. today. Please make sure you hop into the review slides tomorrow. We are going to go over the abolition workbook assignment, so please make sure you see that. Please make sure you watch that so that you have the correct answers and you are on the same page as me about what the importance of abolition was and everything else. Make sure you do that. Make sure you watch that. And then the next lesson we're going to be talking about on Friday is going to be about the Kansas-Nebraska Act and bleeding Kansas. So we'll be talking a little bit about that. That's going to push the United States a little closer to war. But for now, we're talking about the Compromise of 1850. With that said, guys, I hope you have yourselves a fantastically, awesomely splendiferous day. And I will catch you guys tomorrow for the abolition workbook review lesson. Have a great day, guys.